After your day of adventuring outdoors, it's always great to come back to camp for a nice warm meal. Campfire nachos are a super easy, delicious, and quick recipe that will be sure to make everyone happy. What you'll need is a cast iron skillet, tortilla chips, shredded cheese, and any other toppings that you love on your nachos. We used green onions and salsa. First, prep your skillet by heating it over your campfire or camp stove. When it's nice and warm, start with your first layer of tortilla chips. Next, add a layer of shredded cheese. Keep layering your tortilla chips and cheese and top with your favorite ingredients. Cover your skillet and bake it near your campfire until your cheese is melted and your tortillas are nice and warm. When it's done, remove your skillet from the fire and add the toppings of your choice. For us, that was extra cheese and green onions. And voila, you're done. A delicious, quick and easy campfire meal for you and your friends to enjoy around a fire.